Hello, this is Simon with WTI, and this is the Mendini by Cecilio Piccolo. It is beautifully constructed and even comes with a carrying case. You just take the mouthpiece off and it fits nicely here. It also comes with the cork wax for putting it back, gloves, and a cleaning cloth. So it's a full set. As you can hear, it has a very full sound to be such a tiny instrument. It goes all the way to the highest registers, which of course I cannot reach yet because I'm an amateur piccolo player. But the sound is very pleasant, although it's a flute, and I like it very much, and I'm sure you'll like it too. But that is my point of view.